my favorites was actually learning how to use Zoom. I mean, not only did you teach us just how to connect with it, no, you actually taught us how to set up our accounts and in a step-by-step fashion, learning the virtual backgrounds, how to set up, meetings weekly so that we could actually then have interactions with our friends that we haven't seen for a while. It's just been, it opened up a whole new way for me to communicate, especially with my best friend who lives 2 hours away. And unfortunately, her husband has severe compromised health issues. So she's grounded and, we're up here and, living in the senior community, you also want to be very careful of who you have interactions with. So this allows us to meet once a week for our happy hours,
Yeah.
just like we would plan on doing anyhow. And just having a good old grand time and joking around and having fun. And you really need to laugh right now because it's something that we need to do.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that.
Welcome.